Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Myself Karthik Chopra. Today I will be explaining my mass housing project guided by architect Sachin Gulve. In order to understand mass housing typology, that is basic of mass housing, designing approach, designing government factors. So, in order to understand all these factors, I did a case study Asian Games Village by Raj Rewals. In this case study, I got some inferences that vehicular movement and pedestrian movement should be segregated. The human scale should be kept in mind while designing the complex. Privacy and security should be achieved to the design. Designing a house that's a low maintenance, providing a space for family leisure. For the better understanding for the zoning and designing purpose, site analysis was done to understand the context and the pros and the cons of the site. Placement of the block is done so that they can get equal amount of connectivity from all parts of the site. The main apartment building is placed in the starting of the site so that it can be served as the landmark, and the other reason is that it will be facing the south side, so it will be obstructing the major heat gain and casting the shadow on the green patch. At lowermost level, there are three individual units which get a separate entry from outer face. The apartment block at every alternative level is rotated at 8-degree angle. Each floor contains a cluster of two, each 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 1 RK and 3 BHK. The basic layout of flat is you enter, you get living, then dining, followed by kitchen and rooms. The transition from public space to private space. Twin bungalow, a module of 4 BHK. The twin bungalow is designed in a fashion that each room has a degree of privacy along with a separate open space to relax. At lower level, the most of the space is public with one guest bedroom, and at level 2 and 3 other bedrooms are situated. Row house, a 2 BHK module. The basic idea was clear that lower level will be a public area and upper level will be private. Row house is designed to give a degree of privacy along with a habitable space with low maintenance. Bungalow, a 5 BHK module, the most spacious and a big unit. It is a known fact that bungalow will be costlier in comparison to other unit. So to justify the cost, spaces are designed that they give a feeling of grandeur and should be comfortable to live. Different amenities are provided for leisure and for the daily needs. These spaces are comfortable and joyful. All the spaces are designed so that they give a homey feeling and there is a sense of belonging to all the spaces.